Introducing this beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 2-bath residence with over 2,200 square feet of living space on an expansive 10,000 square foot lot in the prestigious Steinbrenner School District. Inside, beautiful hardwood floors and an abundance of natural light create a welcoming flow through formal dining, spacious living, and family rooms. The gourmet-inspired kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, generous cabinetry, and a bright breakfast nook. The primary suite provides a private retreat with dual vanities, a separate shower, and plenty of space to unwind. 3 additional bedrooms offer versatility for family, guests, or office needs. A dedicated laundry room with ample storage keeps the home functional and organized. Sliding glass doors lead to a private fenced backyard ideal for entertaining, outdoor dining, or quiet relaxation. DM us to set up your private showing.